Welcome back. You probably noticed that in multiple cases, you have the opportunity to write in your synopsis and in your description areas words that, when searched, could develop how relevant you are to what someone actually wants to find. And so, anytime that you get the opportunity to write a title or a synopsis, even as one as small as 400 characters, you want to make sure that you have as many keywords that are relevant as you possibly can. And there are some sources to help you find relevant keywords. One such site is Google Trends, and you can adjust the time period in order to determine how relevant you want these terms to be and for the videos you're going to be creating. And as we've discussed before, you can also use Google Suggest. And what you're going to do is you're going to start by writing in your keywords one at a time. Then you're going to look at what comes after so you can determine what the most recent searches are around the ones that you consider to be your market or niche. Again, these are the most recent searches that have happened on Google. Once again, you're going to do the same thing in YouTube, and you'll notice that the lists are going to be different even from the first time that it was done. There are a number of tools available on the web that will help you to determine relevance with Amazon. One is the Selix keyword tool. And what we can do is we can write in our keyword to determine more relevance. Now, the reason why tools like this are so important is because they determine relevance inside of Amazon. And you'll be able to tell whether or not you have a keyword or a subject that's going to be based on data that says it's worth pursuing. In fact, if you do a search at google.com for the terms free Amazon keyword tool, you'll notice that there are a number of companies that make available keyword search tools that you can use for Amazon. And again, this is to help you determine relevance inside of Amazon. And in Amazon, your seller reputation helps to determine how you'll be placed, as well as customer reviews. So you want to make sure that you are watching them, that you're doing everything you can to secure positive reviews and feedback from customers. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.